It's a beautiful morning out here in Temple, Texas. We're at Fresh Meadows Community Center. So right now we're drilling some footings or piers for a 40 by 30 USA shade. Yesterday afternoon we ran into some solid hard ground issues while drilling with our normal auger bit. So this morning we brought our special auger bit to get these done. I'll show you what's going on. Notice how it takes a little longer to break, but eventually we'll get to the required depth. Remember, all play does it all.